Hi, I'm Andrew Codrington, Product Manager here at Titus. This video demonstrates how users can classify, mark, and protect their email and documents with only one mouse click. With an intuitive user interface that requires little or no user training, the one-click classification feature easily integrates into the user's regular Microsoft Outlook and Office workflow. Watch this video for an overview, then click on Book a Live Demo to learn more from one of our security and compliance experts.
We'll start our demonstration in Outlook 2007. In this scenario, the organization has a policy that all email and documents must be classified before sending or saving. To make this process as simple as possible for users, the organization has implemented the one-click classification feature. As you can see, there are 3 classification buttons in the ribbon: Public, Internal, and Confidential. These buttons correspond to the organization's classification policy and are completely customizable. The organization has assigned a default classification of internal, so that in most cases we don't need to select a classification at all. But in this case, we want to raise the classification to confidential to indicate that the information is more sensitive than regular internal correspondence. To do this, we simply click the confidential button on the ribbon. If we require more information about each classification label, we can also hover over the button to see a tooltip, as you see here. We could have also clicked the Help button to launch a web page that outlines the organization's classification policy. Now that we've classified the email, we'll click Send. Note that we'd be prompted to classify the email at this point if our organization was not using defaults and we had not already selected a classification. Forced classification is not part of this demonstration, but is one of the possible configuration options with the software. Now let's have a look at the email we just sent. The Titus Labs software has automatically added visual markings at the top and bottom of the email. These markings raise awareness about the sensitivity of the content and foster a culture of awareness that helps ensure information is shared appropriately. Because the markings are completely configurable, the administrator can decide exactly how these visual labels should appear. When a classification is selected, machine-readable metadata is also applied. This metadata can be used to extend the value of many downstream technology investments, such as archiving engines, DLP, digital rights management, encryption, and of course other Titus Labs products. These tools can read the metadata properties and make policy decisions on how to appropriately handle the information. Now let's have a quick look at one-click classification in Microsoft Office, where the same classification interface is available in Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. In this scenario, the user has just started a new Word document. The default classification is internal, which results in a header, footer, and watermark being applied to the document. The user could also change the classification to public or confidential, which would cause an automatic update to the visual markings, as you can see here. It's a very simple and intuitive process that has a powerful impact on an organization's security. That concludes our demonstration of one-click classification in Titus Labs Message Classification and Document Classification. To schedule a webcast or to receive a free trial of this product, please email info@titus-labs.com, or to read more information about the product, go to our website at www.titus-labs.com.